Hey everybody, and welcome back to a new quick video. So I just wanted to share with you guys, this is the new F3 flight controller for brushed motors that came in over the weekend, and this is the racing board that I'm going to be using to replace on this CTX Mini 105 drone. So I just wanted to, again, break it out and share it with you guys and show you what all comes in this package. So it runs about 16 bucks, which isn't bad. You get a little piece of double-sided sticky tape so you can put it to the drone, and you get a small connector, just like the one on the drone, which is good. And then here's the actual board itself. So here's what it looks like. Try and get this into focus for you guys, if it will focus. Let's see. Is it going to focus? Maybe not. Okay. Alright. So anyway, so here's what what the actual board looks like. And so here's the USB at the end. You can see there's a small arrow pointing up, and that tells you which way the direction that the board will go. Here's the battery, the plus and the minus side. This is right here for your motor 1, motor 2, motor 3 over here, or sorry, motor 3 over here, motor 4 up here. And then you have your URAT connectors for the different things. And then right up here on the top, this would be these three ones up here. That would be for like a DSM-X, like for Spectrum controllers, that type of thing. Up here is for your beeper. You can put your beeper on there. I haven't decided if I'm going to reuse the beeper or not, so not sure about that. And then here's the URT, or UART number 2, and this is the one I'm going to be using for my FR Sky or Free Sky receiver. I'm going to be plugging that right in there. So should be really easy to get this. Also on the board here, you notice you can actually put this. It's already soldered, so you can do a 1S or you can do a 2S battery on that, just depending on what you want. If you want it to be a 1S, you go and you solder those two pads. If it's a 2S, you solder those two pads, so depending on what you want. Here's your boot tab right up here on the top. Now this particular board, I've already flashed it with Betaflight. That is my preferred software that I like to use for all of my racing drones. And so it originally came with Clean Flight, so the way that I was able to go in and flash the board was you have to go in and you have to actually short those two right there together. You just take the tweezers, turn it on, and then it's got a little light up here. There's a red one and a blue one, and the red just stays lit like that. So that's basically the board. Here's the gyroscope right there, or the accelerometer chip, and that tells the board when it's facing like this, like that, up, down, you know, things like that. Let's hook it up to Betaflight really quick, and I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So you don't even need power to get it to hook up to the computer. It'll automatically see it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and move the camera up here so you guys can see Google Chrome. There we go. Move this box out of the way so you guys can see what I'm talking about here. So let me open up Chrome. So the way I use Betaflight is I use it as a Chrome extension. So it's just in the Chrome App Store, and then it loads right from there. So we'll give this a second to finish loading. There we go. So I'm going to go to the App Store, and I'm going to load my Betaflight right here. And there we go. And then we'll hit let me see if I can adjust the camera a little bit more for you guys so you can actually see. There we go. Okay, so we'll hit the connect button up here in the top right. There we go. And it should say successfully open. I was having some trouble with this particular board. It wasn't wanting to connect, so let's see if I can get it to work for me today. Alright, so let's try it again. Let's unplug it, and we'll plug it back in. There we go. Ah, there we go. Okay. Alright, so it's waiting for data. It should come up. There we go. It's kind of a little better now. So you can see when you turn the board. There it goes, see? So that's that accelerometer chip on the front there. So I haven't programmed anything yet, just because I haven't hooked it up to the drone, so we're going to be doing that next. So I'm going to go ahead and click disconnect here, and let's close the browser and close Chrome, and we'll unplug this guy. Alright, so again, this is going to be going for the CTX drone. This was that mini brush drone that we did the unboxing for last week. So here is the drone, and we'll take that top off. And so, as you can see, there's the original board right there, and here's going to be our new board. So, and we'll flip it over here to the back side, and as you can see, it actually fits in there perfectly. Actually, it's going to be, I mean, almost exact, like this board was meant to be in there. It's absolutely perfect. And the one thing I like about this board is that the USB, so on this old board, the USB was on the side there, and now it's going to be back here, so it's going to be a little bit easier for me to access, and I can put those sides on if I want, and I'll still be able to access the back. And of course, here's the FreeSky receiver. There's my buzzer right there, and everything like that. So again, I'm not sure if I'm going to reuse this buzzer or not. I haven't quite decided on that. It's nice to have a buzzer because it'll tell you when you have low battery voltage and things like that. So I don't know, haven't quite decided. Here's my camera and the VTX. So of course I'll have to unsolder that and solder that onto the new board. And there's the motor connectors. Just have to undo those, resolder those on. So this should be a really easy project, not too bad at all. So I'm going to get started on this, guys, and then once I'm done, I'll show you guys the finished project, and then we'll actually do the flight review after we're done. So guys, thanks for tuning in to this quick little short video. Just wanted to show you the new board compared to the original board, and what I got finally came in. So I'm really super excited to get it on this one and zip this little guy around and see how it does up in the air with this new racing board. I'm really excited about that. So guys, if you like this short video, hit the thumbs up button for me, and if you like the channel, if you like my reviews, if you hit the subscribe button for me, that really does help out the channel. And also, you can go ahead and, if you want, you can hit the bell. The bell will let you know when we have new videos for you guys. And just thank you for all the comments, all the awesome support, guys. I really do surely appreciate that. I'll keep the videos coming as always. In the meantime, while you're waiting on the next one, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for hanging out.